Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm actually going to show you exactly what I use in terms of skincare before I have an important event or a photo shooting, or just one of those days when I have to look really good. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you've clicked on the ring bell button. This way you're going to be notified when I'm posting new videos. Now, if you'd like to see how I get my skin ready for an important event, then please keep on watching. My number one rule before I have an event and I want to look beautiful is to go to sleep early. I can't stress enough about how important it is to go to sleep early. And even if you can't, you have kids, you have things to do, you're working late, make sure that you have the right amount of sleep, meaning that one cycle of sleeping is 1 hour and a half. So do multiples of 1 hour and a half. Depending on the time that I go to sleep, I set my alarm at 7 hours and a half from the moment I go to sleep, because it literally takes me 2 seconds to fall asleep. I'm on my way with my head on my pillow and yes, I snore. It's very, very important what I eat the day before an event. I try to not eat anything starting with 6 or 7 p.m. max, and then to just drink water and lemon. I don't drink, I'm not really an alcohol drinker. So as you can see, I have full makeup on. I was filming this look today, and so now I'm going to show you how to take this off and all the steps that I do after. I like to always use this to put my hair up, because this is the only way that I am not losing volume. Like, I do not lose volume during my sleep if I use this. And I know you might think it's uncomfortable, but it's actually not. I grab all the hair on the top of my head right here, and then I take all the rest of the hair, I twist it. Voila! Okay, now it's time to take my makeup off. And currently, this is what I use to take my makeup off. A lot of people from Instagram told me that this is amazing, that I should try this. I bought it from the United States. It's called Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So it has this little scoop on top, and then you take this away, and it just looks like a balm. So I take the size of a walnut, I would say, of product, and then I'm just applying it on my face on dry skin. This is totally safe to be used on the eyes as well. Please don't make fun of my orange arms. Made a mistake with the self tanner. I'm going to take a little bit more product because I feel like I still have a lot of makeup on. I massage skin for about 2 minutes just to make sure that all this makeup is going to melt. Like I said, I'm using it on the eyes as well. Now I feel like the whole makeup is pretty melted. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off with just lukewarm water. And in contact with water, it sort of transforms into this milky texture. I've rinsed it off, but that's not it, Now if I'm going to use a cotton pad, let me just take a dry one. I just want to show you something. Look. There's still makeup on my face. So now comes step number 2, and I'm going to use another cleanser, and this is actually very new for me. It's called Audacity Pure Elements Black Mint Cleanser. It has charcoal and purifying and cooling gel, and it's true, it's kind of cooling. If you don't like that effect, then you're not gonna like this product. It looks like this. This is the bottle. I have actually just started to use this. make sure when you take your makeup off and you come with step number 2, you insist on the perimeters of your face. That's where you usually have still some makeup left. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse it off. The next step is this Cosmetic Exfoliant Double Action. This is a gentle exfoliant. It's actually a scrub, but it's very, very gentle. I'll use about this much. I just damp my face with a little bit of water, then I rub this all over my face. You barely feel it on the skin, so it's not one of those scrubs that's aggressing the skin. When I get to my chin, I apply just a little bit more pressure. Because I don't know about you, but I have that kind of skin that around my mouth, no matter how great I take care of my skin, I will have those like tiny black heads. But there are so many. I have like one next to the other. If you look very close, they're so annoying. Okay, so I've left that for about 2 minutes on my skin. Now I'm going to rinse it off. Okay, now I'm pat dry. And here comes the mask that for me, it really makes a difference. And I love to use this mask before, like the night before an event. The thing is that after I use this mask, I wake up with baby skin. And I'm talking about the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. This is such... Oh, don't tell me I don't have... Oh my god, I thought I had nothing left. This is like the best mask before an event. Like, not right before an event because it's an exfoliating mask, but the night before, it's really that good. I apply it all over the face, and I make sure that I do not, under no circumstances, leave this mask for more than 20 minutes. This has 25% alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, and then it has 2% BHA. It's like a mini peel. I'll see you in 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. I've taken my mask off. Normally, after you apply that mask, they recommend you to use their marula oil. And usually when you buy this mask, they give you like a little sample of their marula oil. It's a good oil, but I actually love this Citra Firm face oil from Exuviance. This is my absolute favorite face oil. And I've talked about it in other videos. This is how I like to apply it. I put one full pump and then I just massage it everywhere to the skin. And this smells good. I'm applying this oil like everywhere on my neck. This next step is not just before an event. You know, this lip mask, it became my favorite, so I'm applying it almost every night. The Tatcha Kiss You mask, it's so good and it smells so good. Last but not least is this Shiseido Wrinkle Resist 24. I use just a tiny little bit right here and right here. This is super hydrating. Now I'll show you what I do for another like 20 minutes while I'm watching a movie or I'm watching some video on YouTube. Like I said, the skincare is not done. I need to massage, to like really massage the skin. So I'm going to use this thing that's called Gua Sha, the rose quartz. I got it from Audacity. I'll put the name of every single product that I was using in this video in my description box. So with this, I'm just massaging the skin like this. And I do like that for, I would say, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I'll just do this. Good morning. I'm going to go on, but first let's brush our teeth because you can feel it. And we are the rendezvous. I'm going to wash my face with just water. Let me take you outside so you can see how my skin looks like in the morning, like right after I wash my face. Here's how my skin looks like. So right now I don't have any moisturizer, just wash my face with just normal water. You guys want to see how it's like from my balcony? It's kind of gray right now. We're back in the bathroom. The masking is not over. Now here is my event mask. This is the Biologique Recherche Mask VIP Oxygen. And you can absolutely apply this under the eyes. It looks like this. Now I'm going to leave this on my skin for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, it's been more than 20 minutes. It could have been 40 minutes. Now I'm going to jump into the shower. I'll take this mask off. We're going to move on with the rest of the skincare. Because yes, there's more. Okay, now after the shower, the first thing that I do is to apply this Tatcha The Essence. And I like to apply this all over my neck. This softens and plumps the skin, so I let it dry and then reapply it for about 5 times. This routine, I think this is an amazing routine before, for example, your wedding or a big event, like something important for you. I definitely do not do this every day. So I'm going to move on with this Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. This really brightens the skin. And I push it like this. This next product is such a treat. These are the Illuminating Eye Gels from Petrology. They come in a pack of 5 gels and I love to use these, especially on my clients. So while I'm doing their skincare, I would always make sure I have these under their eyes because most people have very dry under eyes, myself included. They look like this. And I leave these for 10 minutes, I would say. They are going to brighten your under eyes and hydrate in just a few minutes, and you will actually see. I will take you outside after I'm done with my whole skincare and you will see how really nice and brighten my skin looks, especially the skin around my eyes. I will use this. This is the Barbara Storm Hyaluronic Acid, and as you can see, I really like this product. My skin is extremely dry right here. Don't forget the neck and the décolletage. Of course, this routine should be according to your skin type. I have very dry skin right here, and then here it kind of gets oily throughout the day, but not crazy. I have moments, like it depends. Now I'm going to move on with this Lms Superfood D Cream. And again, I'm applying this where I know that my skin is super dry, and also neck and décolletage. Or décolleté. How do you say décolleté or décolletage? Now I'm going to look after my clothes to see what I'm going to wear while I keep this for another like 5 minutes. Then I will come back, take them off, and continue with my skincare. Okay, don't hate me, bye. Okay, I think I can take these off. These are biodegradable, by the way. Pro Radiance Illuminating Flash Balm is going to act exactly like a balm. It feels like a thicker cream that's going to sort of protect. Now, normally, I do not use this every day. Like I said, this is a very special skincare routine. But what I use every day, like as my last step, would be the SPF cream. But I'm not going to use it today because you should not be using SPF cream before an event because sometimes it can have flashback. Meaning that when you take pictures with flash, your skin, your face is going to look much whiter than the rest of your body. Then I'm going to take you out and show you how my skin looks like in daylight. I'm not sure you can see, but it's super hydrated, it's plump, it's really glowing, and I have no makeup on. So now I'm just ready to put on some makeup, and I can guarantee you that this is such an amazing skincare routine that you can do at home for an important event, like I said. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, an orange thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you've clicked on that ring bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm posting videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm sharing makeup tutorials in there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Right. Video I'm going to show you. Babe, this camera is not like... Is it? What are you waiting for?
Mask me up.
And what mask do you want?
Summer Fridays.
He's just crazy about the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I like it too, but he loves it. In his natural element. Oh, hi, Blue Eyes. Hello there. Nothing interesting, so I'm just gonna go back to sleep. Ah, who disturbs me? Who dares to do that? You love this. You love this. What do we use a different voice when we talk with kids or animals? Oh, that's nice. Cool. Alright, I'll let you sleep.